Kapapentip hak yeng do bar thawai ka jala halo ka phang ka songsan hak jala na ka jubab ya ka mat yatai halo ka mangtingka arjar arpuar arjar pulai hak ka khat sau truk ber arajar arpuar umtreng ba ka jala miglia konrad ke sangma ulong bo don ka jingkerman ka bas kham ba ka jigren suk bat ka new trap national liberation council kan poi shakba khmi linti Nakani ke bentapat konrad bla kerda ya ke jingsa kan tha kisan ngut ke MLA ki belawan a kyrshan ek sarkar MDA dangsian shuaban sedang ke dorbar mangtengka kebadang ya chakmat menta ulu ong baka jingkeno baki wan ban yo nong sain partai kamdei satya re ke jingwan ke jungki kalong ki sin jam tre kam ke sarkar.
So the issue that is also regarding law and order, which is the HNLC issue, and as you're aware, sir, that after a lot of communication, discussion and involvement with a lot of people. So we have actually been able to get a communication from HNLC where they wish to have discussions unconditionally and within the constitutional framework of the country. And the Government of India has accepted that. We have named the interlocutor also, and I'm sure, sir, that with this step, we will be once again moving towards coming out with a positive solution to this issue also. And of course, discussions are still left. One cannot say exactly how long it will take or what issues will come out, but at least this is a positive step, sir. It's a positive step towards finding a solution in this entire issue, and therefore, I'm very hopeful, sir, that we will be able to take this particular issue in a very positive way forward, sir. And so while all of this is happening, our friends from who were in the opposition last time, sir, and recently before this session had ended, they had come and they had expressed their desire to support the government, and they had come in and given a letter to me. And at that time, of course, we saw a lot of comments that were made by different political parties, saying that, you know, they are here to take advantage and they are trying to play politics. But, sir, I would like to say on their behalf and on behalf of the MDA government that it is not the politics that has brought them together. It is the policies that have brought them together, sir. They have realized the policy of this government. It's not the politics, sir. It is the policy. They have seen the work that has been done. They have seen the kind of efforts that a government has made. And those who say that they have come for politics are wrong, sir. They have come for the policy of this government. And therefore, I thank them for strengthening the mandate of this government, believing in this government to make sure that we reach the logical conclusion that we are supposed to. And they're doing it in the interest of the people, sir. They're doing it in the interest of the people. It's not that they have just come in, as I said, for politics. It is for policy, and it is for the people that they have come in. And I must take this opportunity to thank them for believing in this government and supporting the endeavor of this government to continuously serve the people and to be able to find solutions to the problems that we are facing.